How to delete pages from PDF. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, go to
I'm a
Google.
Manny. Nail me.
After that, search for I love PDF. Open this. Now, you will have to see and find edit PDF option. Open this. Then simply select a PDF file from your device files. After you have done that, all you have to do is easily delete the page that you want to delete. The process is very simple from this section. Or you can also do the same by going to this organize PDF section, and as you can see mentioned here, you can sort pages of your PDF file however you like. You can also delete PDF pages or add PDF pages to your document at your convenience. So that's it. That's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.